How to create fillable PDF in Canva. Hello everyone, I'm Jason and I'll be showing you step by step how to make editable or fillable PDF in Canva. First, select Create a Design in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you could type in Journal or you could select Bullet Journal right here. After you have selected Bullet Journal, you'll be redirected to a new page on which we'll be able to create our first PDF and also edit our template. In the left hand corner, I want you to pay attention to the templates right here. As you can see, different bullet templates that you can use. And also, let's say for example, we would like to do a checklist. We could type in checklist right there. Then you could select daily checklist, wedding checklist. We'll be doing wedding checklist for this example. After you have selected wedding checklist, you can see the different templates. And let's say I choose this one. I'll simply tap on the template that I want to use. After I've done that, you can see it on the canvas right here. And let's say you want to change the color of the background. You can by simply selecting the entire canvas. Then you are going to tap on the color box in the top left hand corner. And after tapping on the color box, from here you can see different colors from the photo colors that you can choose from, as you can see right there. Or if you would like to choose a color that you don't see otherwise from the solid colors, all you would have to do is tap on the color box in the top left hand corner, right where you see the plus. Then from there you can tap on the glider. Then you will tap in the rectangular box and you can see that the color box has changed right there. And also you can change the font style or you can add new font. All you have to do is tap on the current text that is there. And if you would like to type something else, for example, let's say I want to put in simple answers, I can do that. And also if you would like to change the font style, you can do that by simply tapping right where you see best light on my screen. Then you could select the font style that you want to use, and you can also change the font size, as you can see right here. So you can change the font size if you want, and you can also edit this section if you want also. So if you would want to remove a column, all you have to do is select the section that you would like to remove. Then tap on the three dots and you could select delete a row, or if you want to add a row, you can also do that. If you want to adjust the size of the columns, you can also do that. And if you would like to add new pages, you can tap on add new page and you'll be able to add new pages. But this is it for me at the moment. Now you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. After selecting share, you're going to tap on download. Then right where you see file type, you're going to tap on that. And from here, you want to select PDF print. After selecting PDF print, you're going to tap on download. And once it has been downloaded, you're going to go into your device browser. And I want you to type in pdfescape.com. And once on pdfescape.com, as you can see right here, I want you to drag and place the file right where you see free online. So you'll simply drag and place the file right where you see free online. So tap on it. Once you have tapped on free online, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you're going to tap on upload PDF to PDF Escape. Then you're going to drag and place the PDF right there, or you could tap on choose file and give it a few seconds to load up. And you can see the PDF that we had created in Canva right here. Once it loads up, I want you to pay attention to a few things. First, you're going to see the top menu option right here. And then I want you to pay attention to this icon in the top left hand corner. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to tap on the pencil icon in the top right here. Then you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on the first icon. After you have selected the first icon, you're going to tap right where you see Form Field. And from here, you can decide whether you would like to add a text field or whether you want a checkout box, radio box, drop down, or a list box. For this example, I'll tap on text. After doing that, you will simply tap on the sections where you would like to add the text box. So I'm going to be adding text boxes in all of these sections right here where you see habits. So I'm going to simply add the text boxes as you can see here. But once you have done that, you're going to go up to the top and you're going to tap on the pencil again. After tapping on the pencil, you can tap on the text box or the checkbox that you had selected, and you can adjust it to fill out the entire row as you can see right there. It is quite easy to do. So all you have to do is simply tap on the section that you would like to edit. Then you can simply pull it out as you can see there. Just do that real quick. And I can do it with this one also. So you can see a good example of how it will look. So let me just do it real quick. As you can see right there, this is it. And let's say I want this section to also be able to be filled. All you'll have to do again is tap on the pencil icon at the top of the page. Then you are going to tap on the first icon in the top left hand corner. And you are going to select Form Field. After you have selected Form Field, you'll tap on the type. Then I'm going to add Checkout Box. So I'll tap on Select. And I'm going to be adding checkout box to these sections right here. All you have to do is tap on the sections. For this example, I'll just add it to 4 sections so that it is done quickly. Then you'll simply tap on the pencil again. After tapping on the pencil, you can now edit the checkout box. So if you would like it to be wider, you can widen it real quick. All you have to do is select the section. Then you can widen it real quick. And again, this is just for example's sake, and I don't want this video to be too long, so spare me as it won't look the neatest it can be. Okay, if you understand what I'm saying. After you have done that, if I were to tap on the palm icon, you can see how it looks at the moment. And you could do that with the entire PDF, and as you can see, you have different fill out options that you can add. Once you are finished, you'll simply go over to the bottom left hand corner, and from here you can see 2 options. You can choose to save it or you can choose to download it. For this example, we are going to tap on download, and you can see that it has been downloaded right here. So all we'll have to do is tap on the PDF to open it. Once it has been opened, as you can see right here, this is our PDF right now. This is our editable PDF. So if I were to tap on any of the text boxes, as you can see right here, I can type in the text. And also in this section, as you can see, when I tap on it, I'll be able to stick it in any one of the boxes, as you can see right there. And that's it. If you would like to share the PDF, you can do that quite easily by going up to the top right hand corner. And by there, you can tap on download to download it, and you can share it with whomever you want. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.